Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Aslam Al Hindi and you are learning Solidworks 2018. We were heading with the different entities and the tools in the sketch, and we are now on the sketch fillet and sketch chamfer. The sketch fillet is actually the rounding of the corners. So let me show you. For example, this is a corner and you want to round this corner. You will be clicking on the sketch fillet and you would be feeding the radius for this round, and for example I'm giving the radius as say 20 mm, and either I can click on both of the lines which are making a corner and I have to make a fillet out of them, so that way it can work as you can see. And the simpler and easier one is to simply click on the corner, that point which is making the corner, and click on it and simply tick the fillet and you can see it's done. So this is the sketch fillet. Now again there's a sketch chamfer. As you can see, there's a smoothing of surface in the sketch chamfer, so it is either distance to distance based or angle and distance based. So the most simple one and the easiest one is the distance to distance based with an equal distance. I'm taking 25 mm as the distance from each side, and the same way either I can click on these two lines and the chamfer is created, or I can click on the point to create the chamfer. Again, let me show you. If I uncheck this equal distance option, then I can change the distances. So I'm taking this distance as 15 mm, and now clicking here you can see this one is 15 mm. You can say the vertical dimension is 15 mm and the horizontal dimension is 25 mm. Now again, going for the last option in this sketch chamfer, this is the angle distance. So it will be taking distance for one side and angle for the other side. Here 45 degrees means that this second angle and the second distance will also be 25 mm, because using a 45 degree chamfer, it means that both the sides are having same length and same distance. The cuts on both sides are same. So for example, I'm changing this to 30 degrees. Now clicking on this link, either on this link or clicking on both the lines. So I'm clicking on this point. You can see that this distance is 25 mm, and the chamfer has been made at an angle of 30 degrees from this distance, from this side. So this is all about chamfer. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks. Have a good day.